Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the fascinating world of plant kingdom. In the next few minutes, I'll try to explain plant kingdom in a simple and easy way, so you can gain a better understanding of this amazing kingdom. Firstly, plant kingdom, also known as the plant kingdom or plantae, is the largest and most diverse group of living organisms on Earth. It consists of about 390,000 known species, and they can be found in almost every environment, from deserts to rainforests. Plants are vital to the survival and well-being of all living organisms, as they provide food, oxygen, and habitat for countless species. Secondly, there are three main groups of plants: vascular, non-vascular, and fungi. Vascular plants have specialized tissues, xylem and phloem, which allow them to transport water, nutrients, and sugars from roots to leaves. Non-vascular plants don't have these tissues and must absorb nutrients and water directly from their surroundings. Fungi, on the other hand, are single-celled organisms that belong to the kingdom fungi. They form a group of its own called protists, and they share many similarities with plants. One of the most remarkable features of plants is their ability to produce food through photosynthesis. This process takes place in the chloroplasts within the cells of plants, and it involves the conversion of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere, which is essential for the survival of all living organisms. Lastly, plants also have unique methods of reproduction, which can vary greatly among species. Some plants, like flowering plants, produce seeds and rely on animals for pollination. Others, like mosses and liverworts, reproduce using spores, which are released into the environment and help establish new populations. In conclusion, the plant kingdom is a diverse and fascinating group of organisms that play a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. They provide food, oxygen, and habitat for countless species, and their ability to produce food through photosynthesis is a truly remarkable process. So, the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and importance of the plants around you. Subscribe us, and enjoy the process of learning through short videos like this every day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.